healthy pancakes it is then. So I'm going to make a bit of a take on healthy pancakes. We need 1 banana, some flour, 1 egg, a bit of baking powder, just a little bit, some milk. I'm going to put a bit of honey on it, some fruit and some yogurt. You can put whatever you want on really to make it naughty, to make it healthy, and anyone really can have these pancakes. You can make it as a breakfast or a brunch treat. Kids love pancakes, they're very versatile, so yeah, gonna make some healthy pancakes. So once I've given it a good whip and a beating, the consistency looks quite liquidy but also firm at the same time. I put a bit of coconut oil just to fry it with and to keep it so the mixture doesn't stick to the pan. But then we put it on, try and get the frying pan a bit hot before I put this in. Let that heat up a bit so it gets a bit hot. So that's warm now. So I'm going to get 2 spoonfuls of mixture, quite big dollops. Again, place it in the middle of the frying pan, so it's where the warmth is. And then this is the time when I let it do its thing. So I got my big stack and all ready now to eat. Made the pancakes. I put a bit of natural yogurt on them, some berries, strawberries, raspberries and blueberries, and I'm going to you can put anything you want on. You can put a bit of lemon sugar, you can put some peanut butter and chocolate, that's more of a treat, but I'm going to do this and I've put a bit of honey on it, to make it sweet, and then I'm going to go and dig in